We're gonna spend New Year's in London. Everything is gonna be packed. A lot of things are gonna be closed. There's gonna be a lot of people. There's limited train schedules because wherever you are at around 6 p.m., that's most likely the area of London where you're gonna spend your New Year's. Another thing that you have to be ahead of and buy a lot of time is getting tickets for the fireworks if that's something that interests you. We did. I had to wake up at 3:30 LA time and the tickets sold out in about 3 minutes. Price-wise, it wasn't expensive to spend New Year's in London, but that's because I planned it like 6 to 8 months before. But right now, it's starting getting a little bit expensive to spend New Year's here. You know, London is a destination. So have that in mind when you're booking your trip. For me to be ahead of the game and book a reservation for a hotel, restaurant, or a restaurant for New Year's, but we did it here at the Seaver, which is on the 14th floor or 15th floor of our hotel. It has a great view of London. It is a set menu, so we are going to eat and figure out if we want to be on this side of the river or the other side of the river to see the fireworks. I think that the blue area, which is in front of the London Eye, not on the London Eye area, which is the green area, may be better to see the show, but there's limited access to cross the bridge. It is 8:14. That means that the bridges are closed. Well, the ones that are closest to us. But I know one thing. This camera is gonna stay home. Way too many people. Okay, we decided to come back to the room for a little bit before really heading out. But it's been great. I hope I can start capturing some content with the iPhone. So in that case, I'm not going to say goodbye, but I'm gonna say I'll see you in a little bit. Happy almost New Year, London. All right, so we left the camera home and now we're walking and it's been like about 35 minutes of a walk. And I think it's a total of 45 because all the bridges are closed, but I think we're gonna make it on time. And it's not that packed yet. Yo, the lines are crazy. We're in line number 4, entrance number 4, and it's just mad. It's like one thing, right? Like you either get here really early and you get in and you get smacked to the front, or you come late and you see all these big lines. Okay, we passed the pink area and we're getting close to the blue area, I think. Another 20 minutes. We've been walking for a while and now we're getting to the part that it's a little bit more packed. I expect much more people. We made it to our blue zone after like an hour and 20 minutes of walking. And it's wild. Like the amount of people here is insane. A lot of people were getting caught trying to sneak in with no ticket, but we had our ticket and we followed the rules. Latino, man. We're everywhere. 4, 3, 2, 1.